All right, so in order to prove that angle RTA is congruent to angle APR, first thing we do is write down the given. So you wrote down given was isosceles trapezoid, and our TR is congruent to PA. So TR and PA are congruent. You mark those on the shape. So then I redrew, since we're trying to prove these two angles are congruent, I redrew this triangle down here. And then I redrew this triangle, this triangle right here, down here. So I have those two triangles written down there. I wrote the letters, corresponding letters with them. So I noticed that TA is congruent to RP. So TA is congruent to RP. I know that is true because they are diagonals in an isosceles trapezoid. So the isosceles trapezoid diagonals theorem says that if there's an isosceles trapezoid, the diagonals are congruent. So I can mark these two sides as congruent. Number 3, the third side of these two triangles that's not marked yet, RA and RA. I know RA and RA are congruent because of the reflexive property. So if I look at the big shape, RA is congruent to RA because it's the same line, so the reflexive property. Number 4, now that I know I have all 3 sides marked, I can say that the two triangles are congruent. So triangle RTP is congruent to triangle APR because of the side-side-side congruence. So if the two triangles are congruent, that means all their corresponding parts. So angle T and angle P are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So that would be these two angles. So angle RTA is congruent to angle APR because of CP/CTC. So congruent parts of congruent triangles are congruent. And that is it.